Last year, a crypto analyst, Gambardello, was confident that crypto's market cap could reach $550 billion, possibly in the upcoming bull cycle of a couple of years to come. His analysis and bullish stance were not only hinged on the success of the Vassal hard fork, but other crucial updates. According to his recent video, something big is expected to happen on Cardano, and maybe perhaps it has already started. The popular crypto YouTuber and trader behind the crypto capital venture Gambardello has just dropped a video on Cardano disclosing its untapped potential. Cardano ADA holders, something big is happening. He tweeted on March 1st, 2023. Gambardello spoke about a piece of data that backs up, reinforces, and reminds the fact of why he is bullish on Cardano. He also spoke about why he thinks a lot about the $10 ADA and believes that a $15 ADA price is possible. The crypto analyst says that Cardano is a better blockchain than the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum. He also emphasized how he's been tracking Cardano throughout all of its major updates, including Shelly, Mary, Alonzo, and Vassal. From his perspective, the technical aspects are in place and Cardano is going to grow. He also highlighted a tweet about ADA TVL hitting a new all-time high. He further mentioned that ADA is a blue-chip cryptocurrency with a market cap of $12 billion. The fact that Cardano's TVL is approaching an all-time high indicates a strong bullish point for Cardano ADA, according to Gambardello. Analyzing the TVL of AVAX and Ethereum, he concluded that they are not inching close to their all-time high. Since data does not lie, the crypto analyst mentioned that the worst is over in terms of the bear market, and further acknowledged that a $500 billion market cap for ADA is currently in play. According to Gambardello's forecast, Cardano has reached an all-time high in TVL, and is a safe point to wonder whether ADA's adoption is on the rise or not. From the data presented by DeFi Llama, the ADA denominated value of cryptocurrency locked within the Cardano blockchain has reached an all-time high of 341 million ADA, reflecting growing adoption. The Cardano ecosystem got a boost earlier this year upon the launch of the over-collateralized algorithmic stablecoin, which has uncovered new possibilities in the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. We are of course talking about JED. JED's circulating supply is already around 2.1 million, while the protocol has a reserve ratio of 471%. Despite the recent rise in the ADA denominated value of Cardano's TVL, a significant fall in the US denominated price of ADA in the last few weeks implies that the US denominated TVL on the Cardano blockchain remains well below its early 2022 highs. The highest TVL Cardano ever saw was over 430 million about a year ago. Back then, the ADA price was closer to $3 per token, but now it's stuck at a little over 31 cents. ADA is down 90% from its all-time high, and down 25% since finding new strong resistance in the 42-cent area in early February. The crypto's aggressive decline in the last few weeks comes amid broader crypto market weakness as a result of strength in the US dollar, US yields, and weakness in equities, as traders price in a more hawkish Fed tightening outlook for the rest of the year. Ongoing jitters about a regulatory meltdown are also raving the markets. Cardano's drop simply means that cryptocurrency has fallen below all of its major moving averages. Moreover, the ADA price appears to be on a downward trend that goes back to June 2022. Something big might be happening on Cardano, but so far, there is not enough momentum for the ADA price to reflect a positive shift in the near-term price outlook. Also, the popular analyst and trader, Jason Pizzino, mapped out a way forward for 3 large cap assets. Starting with Bitcoin, Pizzino told his 282,000 YouTube subscribers that the flagship crypto asset is unlikely to retrace the low of November 2022. We can be macro bullish looking at the market continuing to go up, but there are going to be some pullbacks. There just has to be pullbacks, he said. Pizzino added, and the key thing here is I've been trying to get across, where does this low come in? At the moment, from what we are seeing with the indicators, it looks like we can expect a higher low. If the market lows anywhere above this previous level between $15,000 and $18,000, if its low is in the zone and then moves away, the bears are absolutely wrong because the market did not break down. That is essentially a higher low. Jason, who believes that Bitcoin will likely climb an uptrend once it has hit a higher low, explained that his bullish thesis will be invalidated if and when the $15,000 Bitcoin support level crumbles. For Solana, he noted that it displayed weakness after failing to even come slightly close to the August 2022 high of slightly under $50. It's Solana being a great short lately. It didn't get anywhere near the August top. so that was a very clear sign of weakness for a longer term position. Looking at the chart, he seems to think that Solana is likely to head into support around $12.50. In the case of Cardano ADA, Bazzino explained that the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap is looking weak, just like Solana after failing to form a higher high relative to the August 2022 top. The crypto analyst said, "The likes of Cardano did not make it. The August tops are well and truly far away from them at 60 cents here. ADA only managed to make it to 40 cents, currently at 30 cents. It was putting new lows in January when other markets like Bitcoin and Ethereum were putting in higher lows. That's the difference between a weak longer-term position and a stronger longer-term position." So with this being said, is there still a chance for Cardano ADA? For now, all it seems to have is achievements that might not even move the needle, not to talk about triggering something big. But let's take a quick pivot to Cardano NFTs. It has been on a rapid surge since last year. In September of 2022, some interesting milestones were highlighted, including nearly 7,000 NFT projects across 15 marketplaces and an all-time trading volume of 459 million ADA. These figures have seen a massive increase since then, as the ecosystem now boasts an all-time trading volume of 652 million ADA. NFT projects have also soared to 8,805, with 7.5 million NFTs minted. And as a result, the Cardano NFT space became the 3rd largest NFT protocol last October. The ADA coin price has also risen by nearly 6% against Bitcoin, despite the recent market sell-off. The ADA token also rose by 7% against Ethereum. Cardano's improved performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum coincided with the total value of assets locked in the network's decentralized finance ecosystem, which reached a new all-time high. Interestingly, Cardano's ADA market dominance has also risen by 2.17% from 1.21. Market dominance is a metric that is used to observe the ratio between the market caps of an asset to the rest of the crypto market. ADA's market dominance has fallen to its early January level of 1.15 before rebounding to its current value as the digital asset gained ground against the top 2 digital assets. However, this is still not enough. Plus, another threatening situation is coming for the crypto market, and it could trample on Cardano's little roses. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies are braced for adverse volatility after the Circle's 43 billion USDC stablecoin lost its US dollar peg, topping a wild sentiment for crypto. Bitcoin had earlier sunk 10% due to the failure of the crypto bank Silvergate, wiping out $100 billion from the combined crypto market as the prices of the top 10 cryptocurrencies went into freefall. The crisis at startup lender Silicon Valley Bank, where the stablecoin issuer Circle held a part of its USDC cash reserves, is threatening to wipe out the 2nd largest stablecoin by market capitalization. Silicon Valley Bank is one of the 6 banking partners Circle uses for managing the 25% portion of USDC reserves held in cash, Circle tweeted, exacerbating a near 10% drop from its US dollar peg. It added that while it awaits clarity on how the FDIC receivership of SVB will impact its depositors, Circle and USDC will continue to operate normally. In a further blow, major US crypto exchange Coinbase, which issues USDC through a joint venture with Circle, announced that it has suspended US dollar USDC conversions, posting to Twitter it would temporarily pause the conversions while the banks are closed. California-based SVB was taken over by regulators and shut down after panic spread among depositors who yanked around $40 billion from the bank, and efforts to raise fresh capital failed. The bank's woes began when the US Federal Reserve began hiking interest rates last year, wiping out the value of mortgage bonds and US Treasuries. Fed Chair Jerome Powell recently told lawmakers that he sees interest rates rising past market expectations this year. Nonetheless, for now, our eyes are on Cardano. We may not have all the answers, but Cardano ADA is worth watching out for. Plus, it's an uncertain world out there. Who knows what can happen? But that's going to be it for our video for today. Make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.